Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I was performing bunch of service on this 2013 Subaru XV Crosstrek, and one of the services, obviously, right, one of the things you need to check is the cabin air filter. And as expected, the vehicle's cabin air filter was very dirty and it needed to be replaced. But here comes my huge disappointment with Subaru. I really love Subarus. I think they are great cars, right? Very practical. And I know the Subaru is proud of themselves for being green. But this is disaster what I discovered right here. Look with me, this cabin air filter from any other brand, like from Toyota, right? This gets dirty really quickly. So what do in Toyota? This plastic, this black thing, this is a tray which holds paper element, right? And you replace only that paper. Well, look what the designers created as a design for this XV Crosstrek. You are throwing away this entire part right here, right? Here you can see the new one. Look at its amount of waste. Why we are not replacing only the paper? Why we are throwing away that entire tray? This is absolutely unbelievable to me. And as I said, I'm really disappointed with whoever designed this. It totally doesn't make sense. I replace so many of these on Toyotas, right? And it's only the paper, and we are not wasting this plastic. So basically this little rant is my message to the Subaru. What happened to you guys? How you can be doing this environmental problem, right? This is not okay, throwing away such a big piece, which is normal maintenance. It's very common, it needs to be replaced. This is definitely not okay, especially nowadays, right? When everything has to be environmentally friendly. I don't understand who designed it, and I don't understand who approved this for production. So of course I will go ahead and pop the new one in. I just don't feel good about doing it. And of course I would like to hear from you. What do you think about it? Is it okay that they are wasting all that material for absolutely no reason? Let me know in the comments underneath the video. Thank you for watching, and be subscribed. I have way more about the cars coming towards to you on this channel soon. See you later, my friend.